Today's recipe is chocolate and vanilla marble cake. This homemade cake was so soft and tasty. So if you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. First, I sifted 3 cups of all-purpose flour, added half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. With a whisk, I then mixed all the dry ingredients together. Once finished, set this aside. To a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of granulated sugar. Mix for about 5 to 10 minutes. Four eggs were then added one at a time, mixing in between additions. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. Next, add half of the dry ingredient mixture and mix. Followed by half cup of evaporated milk. Add the second half of the dry ingredient mixture, followed by a second half cup of evaporated milk. Mix until all the ingredients has been well incorporated. Pour half the batter into a separate bowl. Next, mix 1/3 cup of cocoa or chocolate powder and 1/3 cup of water. This is what we'll be using to add to half the batter to make it a chocolate mixture. Next, I greased and floured my pan and then added in both mixtures like this. Bake in an oven that was preheated to 350 degrees. Bake for approximately 40 minutes. And this is how it came out. Look how nice and soft this cake is. It was simply delicious. Here are 2 other recipes that I think that you will enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious content like this. Bye!